Welcome, my dear students. Our session today is about decimal numbers. Okay, look at the figure here. I want to write a suitable fraction, represent the shaded part or the green part. In this case, I have 3 green parts out of 10. So I write 3 over 10 or 3/10. Okay. Any fraction or mixed number with the denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on, we can write it by using a decimal point. Okay, here we have 3 over 10. We will write 3, then we will put decimal point like this, 3, then count only one digit, then put the decimal point. I'll count according to the number of zeros in the denominator. Here I have only 1 0, so I'll count only one place, then I'll put the decimal point. This part is for the whole numbers. Here we don't have any whole number, so I write 0. So we have 3/10. 3/10. This is the decimal point here, and this part is for a whole number, and this part is the decimal fraction or the decimal part. Okay, in this case, this place is 10th. Look at the next figure here. We have 10 parts. 10 out of 10 is colored, and also we have here 5 parts out of 10. So we have 1 and 5 over 10. We have 1 and 5 over 10. By the same way, I write 5. I'll count only one digit, then I'll put the decimal point. So 1.5. 1.5 or 1 and 5/10. Let's try to convert into decimal. The first one, 15 over 100. I have 2 zeros, so I write 15, then I'll count 1, 2, and I write the decimal point, and there is no whole number, so I write 0. So 15, then count 1, 2, and put the decimal point, and 0 and the whole number. Okay, so we have 0.15. 23 over 10. By the same way, I write 23, then I'll count from the right only one place, and I'll put the decimal point. So we have 3 and 2, and in the middle we have the decimal point. Count from the right only one place, because I have only 1 0 in the denominator. 3 over 100. In this case, I'll write 3, then I want to count 2 decimal places, so I count 3 and I write 0. Then I put the decimal point like this, 3, then I'll put 0 because I want 2 places, not only 1. 1, 2, then put the decimal point, and there is no whole number, so put 0. Here we have 4 and 18 over 1000. I write 18, count 3 places, 1, 2, I need 0, so I put 0, then I put the decimal point, and the whole number is 4. So we have this part is 18,000, and the whole number is 4. 4.018 or 4 and 18,000. By the same way, 15, 25 over 100, it means, yes, 15.25 or 0.25. The last one, 7 and 2 over 1000, it will be 7.002. Okay? Okay, look at this decimal number. We can read this number as 125. This is the whole number, 0.173, or 125 and 173,000. Okay, this part here is the whole number, and this part here is the decimal part or the decimal fraction, and in the middle we have decimal point. In the whole number we have the places we studied before: units, tens, hundreds and thousands, 10,000 and whatever. To the right of the decimal point we have the decimal part. Start from the right of the decimal point. Okay, this place is tenth, then hundredth and thousandth. So to the right of the decimal point we have the decimal part, tenth, hundredth, thousandth. To the left the whole number, unit, tens, hundreds and so on. Let's try to convert into decimal, but in this case we don't have 10 or 100 or 1000 in the denominator. In this case we should multiply or divide up and down by the same number to get a denominator which is 10 or 100 or 1000 or so on. Okay, we have 1 over 5. I want you to remember that 2 times 5 is 10, 4 times 25 equal 100, and 8 times 125 is 1000. So in this case I have 5. I need to multiply it by 2, so I multiply by 2 up and down. The new fraction will be 2 over 10. 2 over 10, it means 0.2. Another one, 2 over 125. 125 times 8 equal 1000. So I'll multiply up and down by 8. Multiply 2 by 8 and 125 by 8. 2 times 8 is 16, so we have 16 over 1000 or 0.016. Here we have 102 over 300. We don't have a number. If you multiply it by 3, the result will be 100 or 1000. But we can divide by 3. Divide by 3, 300 divided by 3, the result will be 100. So I want to ensure that I can divide 102 by 3, because I should divide up and down by the same number. Is 102 divisible by 3? Is 102 divisible by 3 or not? Okay, let's try. 1 plus 2 equals 3, so 102 is divisible by 3. Okay, so I'll divide up and down by 3. 102 divided by 3 equal 34, and 300 divided by 3 equal 100. So we have 34 over 100. I can write it using decimal number 0.34. 3 over 4, look at here, 4 times 25 equal 100. So I'll multiply up and down by 25. The result will be 75 over 100 or 0.75. Now I want to convert into fractions. 0.15, it means here we have two decimal places, so 115 over 100. Here we have a whole number 3 and we have 5, but we have 3 decimal places, so 5 over 1000. Okay, 3 and 5 over 1000. 14.3, the whole number is 14, and we have 3 over, yes, 10, because we have only one decimal place. 0.02, it means 2 over 100. Okay. Now I want to complete. We have 2.7 equal to plus what? 2.7, this is 2, and here we have 7, so 2 plus 0.7. 25.3, here we have 0.3, this is 0.3, so we need 25. 4.25, 4, I'll take 0.2 and 5 here in hundredths, so I write 0.05. 7.81, by the same way, 7 plus 0.8 plus 0.01, so 7 plus 0.8 in tenths plus 0.01 in hundredths. Okay, let's complete. Here we have 1 means 10 over 10. Okay, don't forget, 1 means 10 over 10. Here we have 6 over 10, so we need 4, so 0.4. Here we have 3, so we need 7, so 0.7. We have 1, so we need 9, 0.9. Here 0.4 and 0.2, 0.6, so we need 0.4. Okay. Now I want to write the value of digit 3. Write the value, it means write the digit and all other digits will become 0. The first one, tenth, so 0.3. This is the second one, units, so only 3. Here by the same way, yes, 0.3, and here in tenths, so 30. Here we have 0, 0, and 3, so 0.003. Here also we have the same value, 3000. Okay, complete the table. We will start from tenth. Okay, so here I write 9. In units we have 6, and in tenths we have 1. Don't write zeros here because we have the name of the place up here. Okay, by the same way we have 7, yes, units 2, tenths 0, and hundredths 5. The next one, 4 in tenth, yes, 9 in units, 3 in tenths. Here we have 483.1. Okay, here we have 60, only 60.9. Okay, so this is the place value. Tenths, units, tens, and hundreds, and so on is at the place value of the digits. Okay, thank you very much for watching. That's all about our session today. Next session we will discuss comparing and ordering decimal numbers. Thank you very much and goodbye.